Hi, this is Chuck McDowell from Blackout Tinting Emergency Service Division. Here to share a product with you today that we're putting in these chargers and can be put in almost any vehicle. There's two different versions, but this product is from Intermotive Vehicle Controls as the Officer Protection Package. They may be sitting on the side of the road doing surveillance, paperwork, anything that they need to catch up on, and anybody can sneak up on the back of their vehicle. This solves that problem for the officer and provides the utmost officer safety. So the officer is going to come over and he's going to be sitting in his vehicle doing his paperwork on his computer or whatever, and he hits the auxiliary 1 button, which activates his backup camera. That backup camera will stay on 100% of the time while the system is active. So now the officer protection package is engaged, and if somebody encroaches on the back of the vehicle, it sets off a beeper on the inside of the vehicle, puts up all the windows, and also locks the door for the officer's protection. And the only way to have this disengaged is either for the officer to shut it off or press his brake and exit. That's the only way the doors will become unlocked. There's some other features that this module can do. There's a plug that if you would like to tie it into your existing controller, it could have a ground latching feed, and as soon as you would hit ground on your controller that's in the vehicle, it would activate it. There's also an external warning wire, so if you'd like to hook up a siren, your light bar, anything you'd like to trigger externally whenever the system goes active, that's what this wire is for. Very easy to install. It's very great for officer safety. Stay tuned for more coming from on these chargers. Over here we have Homestead Police. This is an older K9 unit that did not have a hot and pop system in it, and just for K9 officer safety and the officer's safety, we are installing one for them. A lot of stuff that goes into it. There is a cooling fan for the K9, all kinds of safety devices to put down the windows if it gets too hot. There's an officer paging system that the officer will have an optional pager that if something goes wrong with the car, it'll automatically page him so he knows to get back to his vehicle. And it also has everybody's favorite button, the K9 fur missile button, the dog release button. So if the officer has to release his K9 quickly, he can press that. I don't know if you can hear it, but it gives him a little bit of beep, a little bit of feedback that his dog's being released. Within moments, his dog will be by his side. If you see, we have Joe over here. He's working on the door popper right now. We have a little bit more wiring to do, but this should be out by a day or two. We'll get that out quick for the customer. So a lot going on here. There's more cars coming in here, probably about 5 or 6 minutes. Have a good day.